Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Beam Charging for Smart Charging Analytics step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Beam Charging in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Beam Charging homepage. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will see fields for entering your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Make sure to double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to load, which may take a few seconds. After logging in, you will be directed to your dashboard. Your dashboard will display various analytic features for smart charging. From here, explore the different sections for detailed analytics on charging activities. You can also navigate to settings if you wish to update your profile information. If you encounter any issues during login, check your internet connection. You can also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.